In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a favicon on Wix, step by step, using the latest Wix dashboard in 2026. A favicon is that small icon you see in the browser tab next to your website name, and it's a small detail that makes a huge difference for branding and professionalism. If you're running a business website, a portfolio, or even a personal blog on Wix, adding a favicon helps your site stand out and look more trustworthy. I'll walk you through the full process, explain where to find the settings, and also mention an important requirement you need before you can add a favicon. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Log in using the account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you can manage all your site's settings and features. If you have multiple websites, make sure you select the correct site from your dashboard before continuing. Everything we do from this point will apply to the selected website, so double-check that you're on the right one. Next, from your Wix dashboard, look for the Settings option. You'll usually find this in the main dashboard menu. Click on Settings to open up all the configuration options for your site. This section controls things like your site name, SEO settings, domains, and branding elements, including the favicon. Take a moment to get familiar with this area, because you'll likely come back here often when managing your Wix site. After clicking on Settings, find and click on Website Settings. This section contains global settings that apply to your entire website, not just a single page. Inside Website Settings, you'll see several options related to how your site appears and functions. This is where Wix allows you to customize branding details that show up across your site. Now, look for the option labeled Favicon and click on it. This is where you can upload or change your website's favicon. Wix will usually show you the current favicon if one is already set, or a placeholder if you haven't added one yet. To add a new favicon, upload an image file, ideally a square image, commonly 16 by 16 pixels, 32 by 32 pixels, or a larger square image that Wix can automatically resize. Make sure your favicon is clear and simple, since it appears very small in the browser tab. At this point, it's very important to know that you need a Wix Premium plan to add a favicon to your site. If your site is currently on a free plan, Wix will prompt you to upgrade. Once you're on a premium plan, you'll be able to upload and apply your favicon without any issues. After uploading your favicon, save your changes and publish your site to make sure the favicon goes live. It may take a few minutes or a browser refresh for the new favicon to appear. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a favicon on Wix. This small change can make your website look more professional and polished. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.